Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 2149 North 87th Street. The date is September 14th, 2020. I'm making this recording after Bob Oates has done some sewer work out here to repair a broken line. What we're going to do is take the first half of the recording from in here, showing the plastic repair we installed coming back towards the house, and then I'm going to take the second half of the recording from outside out to the rest of the street. So what we're looking at right here is the plastic repair that we installed in the ground. So we dug a hole about 7-8 feet deep, installed some plastic piping in a place where the pipe was broken. I have a before video that will reference this issue. But what I'm doing is showing here is this plastic repair. So this is where the second video is going to start, is right here at that access point you see on the right hand side of your screen right now, which is the top of the pipe. So we're coming back still through this plastic repair, and then we come into a new flow 4-inch diameter liner that we installed from the repair going back upstream towards the house. Once we installed the repair, there was still some leaking due to some cracks in this section of the line, so we lined it with a new liner here, as you can see, and repaired that so that the system was sealed off again and functioning properly. Adjust here. So this liner is going to lift directly into the cast iron pipe that runs underneath the house. So here's that cast iron now that runs underneath the house. We left everything underneath the house alone. The cast iron's in good condition, so left it as is. So you saw all the work there from the repair back. I'm now going to pause the recording, and we're going to run out front and make a recording the rest of the way out to the main. So we're coming up now on the turns that lead up to the toilet flange. I'm going to end the recording there. It's very difficult to get this camera through these first initial couple of turns. So we're going to end the recording there, pause it, and head out front. Alright, we're going to resume our recording now from this outside cleanout access. There is our outside cleanout here in the front yard of the house, dropping down the repair. So this is where our last video ended. This is where our second video is beginning, just like I said it would. We're going to drop into a little bit more liner. So we did a little bit liner down to the 4-inch by 6-inch transition. So there's a sewer transition there where it upsizes in diameter. And then we're in old concrete. This is a little section of clay pipe where the neighbor's house ties in. And we go back into concrete again. And I think we may have just dropped into the mainline sewer. Yep, so that's where the mainline sewer is, right there. That's what we just dropped into. There's the city main sewer line. Coming back from that, we'll get one more look at this pipe. So 6-inch diameter concrete shared with the neighbor. This is where the neighbor's pipe ties in, right here at the top of the screen right there. So everything beyond that is shared. Coming back towards the work done here at 2149. Into the liner, into the repair, and there's our cleanout access. Finishing the recording there.